Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to use best friend poses on Snapchat. So first up here, open up your Snapchat account. So basically, you can access the best friend poses on Snapchat if you're subscribed into Snapchat Plus. So here, basically just have to subscribe first to Snapchat Plus to be able to access this feature. So once you have subscribed into this plan, you can go here on My Friends section and you can choose any of your friends right over here. So for example, I'm going to choose right here. And once you choose this account, so tap on the profile name at the top. And from here, just need to tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. And then once you tap on the three dots, then basically you'll find an options here. So you should have to tap on pin this account as your number one BFF. So once you pin on that one, as you can see, you will then need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. But if you are subscribed into this plan, basically you have an access to pin this account as your number one BFF. And once done, their avatar will be updated. So just like this, as you can see on your screen. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.